Wen sat stiffly on the couch, the heavy bridal gown pooling around her as she stared at the floor blankly. The weight of the moment pressed down on her chest, suffocating. Taehyung sat in front of her, his dark eyes fixed on her. She was supposed to marry Theodore, his elder brother. Yet here she was, married to Taehyung instead, just as her parents had always wanted. A bitter laugh threatened to escape her lips, but instead, tears welled in her eyes. She glanced at Taehyung, and the moment their gazes met, her resolve crumbled. A broken sob tore from her throat as she buried her face in her hands. Taehyung immediately tensed, his heart clenched at the sight of her breaking down so suddenly. He called her name softly, moving to sit beside her, unsure whether to touch her or let her cry. Between hiccups, she whispered, I was supposed to marry Theodore. He promised me. Her voice cracked, and she pressed her palm against her trembling lips. I loved him. Taehyung's jaw clenched as she leaned forward, resting her forehead against his chest, her body shaking with quiet sobs. His hands hovered over her before he finally wrapped his arms around her hesitantly, one hand rubbing slow, comforting circles on her back. Shh. His voice was slow, soothing. I know this isn't what you wanted, YN. I know this is all too much for you. He swallowed hard as her fingers clutched his shirt. But Theodore isn't here now, and He hesitated for a moment before gently resting his chin atop her head. Let me love you the way you deserve. YN sucked in a breath and slowly pulled away, her cheeks burning with embarrassment. She lowered her head, hands fidgeting in her lap. Taehyung sighed, watching her closely. He reached out, tucking a loose strand of hair behind her ear. You should change and get comfortable. This gown must be heavy. She nodded without looking at him, and silently stood, making her way to the bathroom. Taehyung watched her retreating figure, a storm of emotions swirling in his chest. A while later, YN returned, now dressed in an oversized shirt and sweatpants. She hesitated before stepping toward the bed and reaching for a pillow. Taehyung raised a brow. Where are you going? She clutched the pillow against her chest, muttering, The couch. His lips twitched, amusement flickering in his eyes. The couch? He glanced toward the dimly lit study room where the couch was located and casually cleared his throat. You might not know, but the study room is haunted. YN froze mid-step, staring at him in disbelief. You must be kidding me. Taehyung shrugged, his face perfectly serious. No, I'm not. She eyed him skeptically. I don't believe you. Fine, he said nonchalantly, leaning against the headboard. Don't believe me. Just as she turned toward the couch, a sudden thud echoed from the direction of the study. Her breath hitched, and she shot up from the couch, wide-eyed. She turned to Taehyung, who was about to enter the bathroom. Taehyung? He blinked at her innocently. What? She pointed toward the study room. Did you hear that? He feigned confusion. Hear what? The knock. It was from the study, she whispered frantically. He tilted his head. Nope. Didn't hear a thing. But I did, she insisted. I swear it came from the study. She hesitated before looking down at the pillow in her hands. Can I sleep on the bed? You can take the couch. Taehyung scratched his neck, pretending to think. Actually, I'm also scared. Without hesitation, YN swiftly slipped into bed, pulling the covers over herself. The bed is big enough for 2 people, she muttered. Taehyung pressed his lips together to suppress a smile before nodding. All right, let me wash up first. As he stepped into the bathroom, he heard her hesitant voice behind him. Don't lock the door, and come out fast. He chuckled softly. Scared already? No, she denied immediately, making him grin. A few minutes later, he stepped out and found her sitting upright on the bed, completely wrapped in the quilt, her eyes darting around the room cautiously. The second the door opened, she flinched, gripping the blanket tightly. You scared me. Taehyung smirked, walking toward the bed. Relax, it's just me. YN narrowed her eyes before looking away. You're not allowed to sleep until I fall asleep? He slipped into bed beside her, propping himself on one elbow as he gazed at her. If you say it so lovingly, I can stay awake the whole night. She blinked, heat rushing to her cheeks. Avoiding his gaze, she lay down and curled into the blanket. Taehyung watched her in silence, his heart stirring in a way he couldn't explain. Minutes passed, and soon her soft, steady breaths filled the room. He leaned in, brushing a few strands of hair away from her face. Pressing a gentle kiss to her forehead, he whispered, "Sleep well, YN. I'll wait for the day you'll let me love you completely." Taehyung paced back and forth in the living room, his fingers gripping his phone as he tried calling YN for the third time. A frown marred his face, his heart drumming in unease. She wasn't answering. It had been hours since he arrived home, and she wasn't there. His mind whirled with a dozen possibilities, none of them good. It had only been a few days since their marriage, and in that time, he had made sure to take care of her, to make her feel cherished, to remind her every day that she was special. But right now, all he felt was worry. Just then, the front door creaked open. Taehyung's head snapped up, relief washing over him when he saw YN stepping inside, soaked from the rain, a small bundle clutched in her arms. "Ryan," he started toward her, but halted as he noticed the tiny kitten she held close to her chest, wrapped in her scarf. YN blinked at his concerned expression and quickly spoke. "I saw her outside, getting drenched in the rain. She was shivering, Taehyung. I couldn't just leave her there." Taehyung exhaled, his shoulders relaxing. He reached up, brushing wet strands of hair from her face. "You could have at least answered your phone," he muttered, his voice lower, laced with unspoken concern. YN bit her lip, realizing she had forgotten to check her phone. "I'm sorry I took her to the vet first to make sure she was okay, and I didn't check my phone. It was on silent." His gaze softened as he sighed. "Just tell me next time, all right?" She nodded, offering a small smile before kneeling to place the kitten gently on the floor. The tiny creature meowed, stretching its little body before raising its claws toward YN's hand. Taehyung's sharp eyes immediately noticed. His reflexes were fast. Before YN could get scratched, he gently wrapped his fingers around her wrist and pulled her back, his touch firm yet careful. YN flinched slightly at the sudden contact, her wide eyes snapping up to his. Taehyung froze, his grip loosening. She quickly glanced at the kitten before looking back at him, her expression apologetic. "I'm sorry," she whispered, misunderstanding. "I didn't realize you don't like cats." Taehyung furrowed his brows. "Who said I don't like cats?" His voice was quiet, but there was something heavy beneath his words. YN hesitated, chewing her bottom lip. "I just thought, Theodore didn't like them, so I assumed you wouldn't either." Taehyung's jaw tightened. His thumb unconsciously brushed against the inside of her wrist before he muttered, "I am not Theodore, YN." A lump formed in her throat at the way he said it, so quietly yet filled with so much weight. His gaze darkened slightly. "Did Theodore hit you?" he asked, his voice barely above a whisper. "Why did you flinch just now?" YN stiffened. For a moment she said nothing. Then, after a deep breath, she admitted, "He became toxic toward the end." She looked away, feeling a mix of shame and frustration. "At first I thought it was normal. He didn't like certain things I did, and I thought maybe I should change for him." Taehyung's grip on her wrist tightened for a second before he exhaled sharply, releasing her. His fingers curled into a fist as he tried to suppress the anger bubbling inside him. "So you let him make you feel like you were the problem?" YN let out a small, dry laugh, shrugging. "Haven't you heard? Women are blind when they're in love." Her voice was laced with self-mockery. "Maybe I was blind. I couldn't even see how toxic he was." But she hesitated, swallowing hard before continuing. "Ever since he left me, I've started seeing the difference between love and whatever that was." Taehyung's chest tightened at her words. He stared at her for a long moment before he asked, almost begrudgingly, "Did you love him that much?" YN met his gaze, her eyes unreadable. "I thought I did." Something in his expression shifted. "And now?" She exhaled. "Now, I don't think I ever did. Not really." She hesitated before softly adding, "I couldn't tell you this before, but Theodore only ever made me feel like I was never enough." He let out a humorless chuckle, shaking his head. "Your choice in men was really bad. You cried for him." YN hummed in agreement. Yeah, it was. Then she smiled slightly. But I never cried for him, you know. Taehyung raised a brow. You didn't? She shook her head. I cried for my precious time, my feelings, my emotions, my words, all the energy I wasted on him. His lips curled into an amused smile as he watched her. I like this version of you. Taehyung tilted his head, his eyes softening as he gazed at her. The version of you that knows she deserves more, that doesn't waste tears on unworthy people. Wyan felt her heart skip a beat at his words. She quickly looked away, trying to focus on the kitten. We should feed her. Taehyung smirked, knowing she was trying to change the subject. But he let it slide. As they both crouched near the kitten, their hands brushed slightly and YN felt her breath hitch. Taehyung didn't move away. Instead, he turned his head, watching her intently. His voice was low when he spoke. You deserve to be loved properly, YN. She stilled, her fingers trembling slightly as she stroked the kitten's fur. Taehyung reached out, tucking a strand of hair behind her ear. His touch lingered, his fingers barely grazing her skin. And I intend to show you what that feels like. YN swallowed, not trusting herself to look at him. Instead, she nodded slightly. A small, satisfied smile tugged at his lips as he leaned back. They turned their attention back to the kitten. YN sat curled up on the couch, her attention fixated on the drama playing before her. She turned her head slightly to see Taehyung settling down next to her, his long fingers gently cradling the tiny kitten they had rescued weeks ago. The little creature was curled up in his lap, purring contentedly as he caressed its soft fur. YN's breath hitched when she realized he wasn't looking at the kitten. He was staring at her. His dark eyes held an intensity that made her heart thump erratically. She had noticed it before. The way he would steal glances at her, the faint smile that would tug at his lips when she laughed. But this time, he wasn't looking away. Instead, he smiled. A soft, genuine smile that sent a rush of warmth through her. You're even more beautiful when you're happy, he murmured, his voice deep and velvety. YN's eyes widened slightly as a sudden heat rushed to her cheeks. She quickly looked away, her gaze landing on the kitten who had now wrapped her tiny paws around Taehyung's arm, rubbing her face against him affectionately. I'm not sad, YN muttered, caressing the kitten's fur to distract herself. I'm just trying to adapt to this new life. Taehyung chuckled at her flustered state. He tilted his head slightly, leaning a little closer. Oh? Then why are your ears turning red, YN snapped her head up to glare at him, but that only made him laugh harder. You? She huffed, narrowing her eyes at him. You really enjoy teasing me, don't you? He grinned. Immensely. She let out an exasperated sigh and turned her attention back to the kitten, but the corners of her lips curled up despite herself. For a while, they sat in comfortable silence, only the sound of the drama and the kitten's soft purring filling the air. Then, YN glanced at Taehyung, something lingering on the tip of her tongue. What's with your family? She asked hesitantly, her fingers still stroking the kitten's fur. They seem indifferent to you. Taehyung's smile faltered for a brief second, but then he exhaled, leaning back against the couch. I wasn't always with them, he admitted. When I was younger, I lived with someone else for a while. YN tilted her head. Who? Nana, he said, his voice soft. She took care of me when I was little. Her husband too, but he passed away. YN's expression softened. And Nana? She's abroad for treatment, he said, his gaze dropping momentarily. A brief silence settled between them before YN reached out, hesitantly placing her hand over his. Her fingers curled gently around his palm, giving a small comforting squeeze. Taehyung glanced down at their hands, his lips parting slightly. Then he turned his hand, intertwining his fingers with hers. YN swallowed, her heart pounding against her ribcage. Before she could say something, the kitten suddenly meowed, rubbing its tiny face against Taehyung's wrist. They both looked down at the little creature, watching as it stretched in his lap. YN smiled, scooting closer until their thighs brushed. She's grown attached to you. Taehyung smirked. Are you jealous? YN rolled her eyes. Of a kitten? Please? He chuckled, his free hand coming up to tuck a strand of hair behind her ear. Good, because I only have room for one special girl in my life. YN's breath hitched. She turned her head to look at him, only to find him already gazing at her, with something unreadable in his eyes. A slow, teasing smile spread across his lips. You're staring, he murmured. YN's face burned as she quickly averted her gaze. I was not, she mumbled. Taehyung leaned in, his voice dropping to a whisper. Liar. YN could feel his breath against her skin, and she nearly melted into the couch. He was too close, too warm, too intoxicating. The kitten meowed again, rubbing its face against YN's arm, completely oblivious to the tension between the two humans. Taehyung chuckled, his fingers still intertwined with hers. Looks like she doesn't want to be ignored. YN exhaled a shaky breath, trying to compose herself. She's just demanding attention. Just like someone else I know, Taehyung teased. YN gasped. I do not demand attention. He laughed, his deep, rich voice sending pleasant shivers down her spine. YN, still flustered, found herself watching him. The way his eyes crinkled when he laughed, the way his lips curved, everything about him was captivating. Without thinking, she muttered under her breath, Don't laugh like this. My heart can't take it. Taehyung immediately stopped laughing. He turned to her, his brows raising slightly. What was that? YN's eyes widened. Realizing what she had just said, she quickly turned to the kitten, stroking its fur as if her life depended on it. Nothing! Taehyung smirked, leaning in close. No, I definitely heard something. YN cleared her throat, trying to avoid his gaze. You're imagining things. His fingers tilted her chin up gently, forcing her to meet his gaze. Am I? Her breath caught in her throat as she stared into his dark, knowing eyes. For a moment, neither of them spoke. Then, Taehyung's gaze softened even further as he whispered, You make my heart race. YN. YN's lips parted slightly, her cheeks flushing a deeper shade of red. And then, ever so slowly, Taehyung leaned in, closing the distance between them. His forehead brushed against hers, his fingers still resting against her chin. The kitten meowed loudly between them, breaking the moment. Taehyung let out a breathy chuckle. Looks like we have a little chaperone. YN laughed softly, her heart still pounding. As she sat there, her hand still in his, her forehead still touching his. Owen sat on the couch, her fingers tightly clutching her phone as she glanced at the clock. 3 a.m. Taehyung still hadn't come home, and his phone was switched off. Her stomach churned with unease as she dialed her brother. Hello? He answered groggily. Brother, did you find anything about Taehyung? He hasn't come home, and his phone is off. Her voice trembled slightly. There was a pause before he sighed. No, YN. You know, I don't really know his close friends. I wish I could help. She closed her eyes, inhaling shakily. Okay, thanks. Declining the call, she set the phone aside and wrapped her arms around herself, eyes welling up. Just then, the door creaked open. Taehyung stepped inside, his hair disheveled, eyes red, face pale and void of emotion. The first few buttons of his shirt were undone, and the air around him felt heavy. Taehyung. YN rushed toward him, worry evident in her eyes. Why are you so late? What happened? He barely managed a small smile, patting her cheek lightly, but it didn't reach his eyes. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you worried. Her frown deepened. You don't seem fine. Taking his hand, she led him to the bed, making him sit before handing him a glass of water. She crouched before him, looking up into his tired eyes. Tell me what happened. Taehyung's lips quivered as he finally whispered. Nana is no more. Yen's heart clenched at his vulnerable state. Without hesitation, she wrapped her arms around him, holding him tightly. Oh, Taehyung. I went to her funeral, he murmured against her shoulder. They brought her back yesterday. She ran her fingers soothingly through his hair, whispering sweet nothings as he let himself break in her embrace. He spoke about Nana, her kindness, her warmth, the way she always looked after him when no one else did. YN listened, offering quiet reassurances, her own tears slipping down her cheeks. After a while, he pulled back slightly and YN wiped his face, her gaze soft yet filled with sorrow. Taehyung's lips curled into a faint chuckle as he noticed her tear-streaked face. He leaned in, pressing gentle kisses over her cheeks. Why are you crying? He whispered. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you cry. She shook her head. You didn't. Don't be sorry. She sniffled. Standing up as Taehyung exhaled deeply, rubbing his temples. I'll go change, he murmured. YN nodded, watching as he disappeared into the washroom. She sighed, rubbing her arms as a fresh wave of sadness washed over her. When he returned, he slipped into bed beside her, looking exhausted but calmer. YN scooted close to him, resting her head on his shoulder. I didn't realize my phone was off, he admitted after a moment. I couldn't understand anything at the moment. It was so sudden. She traced circles on his hand with her fingers. It's fine. I was just worried. I even tried to contact your family, but they didn't respond. Taehyung scoffed, tilting his head back against the headboard. Of course they didn't. They're busy celebrating Theodore and his wife's return from their honeymoon. YN rolled her eyes. Wow, priorities. He chuckled at her mocking tone. You've changed. She shrugged, moving even closer. Maybe. He smiled, wrapping his arm around her, holding her close. I like it? YN smirked playfully. I know. He chuckled, shaking his head. Cocky much? Just stating facts. He looked down at her, his eyes soft as his fingers traced patterns on her arm. Thank you. She blinked. For what? For being here. For listening. She cupped his face gently. Always. A comfortable silence settled between them as they basked in each other's warmth. Then, as always, YN started ranting, rambling about how frustrating his family was, how unfair it was that no one cared about him the way he deserved. Taehyung simply listened, an amused smirk tugging at his lips. You're so dramatic, he teased. Excuse me, I'm being honest. He chuckled, pulling her onto his chest. You're cute when you're mad. She huffed. You always tease me. Because I love seeing you flustered. She glared at him, making him laugh before he kissed her forehead. Sleep now, you little troublemaker. She snuggled into him, their legs tangling together. Only if you sleep too. I will, he murmured, pressing another kiss to her temple. With you by my side. Taehyung and YN arrived at Theodore's house. Taehyung's heart was anxious, unsure of how YN would react upon seeing Theodore after all these years. But to his surprise, she remained calm, her hand securely wrapped around his bicep. If anything, she looked completely unbothered, as if Theodore had never been a significant part of her past. Theodore and his wife Fiona greeted them at the door. Theodore's gaze lingered on YN for a beat longer than necessary, but YN didn't seem affected in the slightest. Fiona, all smiles, led them inside, and as they walked, YN leaned into Taehyung's ear and whispered, You know, seeing you both together, it's like comparing a diamond to a pebble. Taehyung's face turned red at her unexpected words. He let out a small smile, his grip on her hand tightening slightly, while YN giggled quietly, enjoying his flustered expression. They sat down in the living room, engaging in small talk. Fiona excused herself to check on dinner, leaving the three of them alone. Theodore took the opportunity to slide closer to YN on the couch. You look stunning, YN, Theodore complimented, his voice smooth. YN frowned, immediately standing up. Taehyung's jaw clenched as his dark gaze burned into Theodore. YN wasted no time, slipping back down beside Taehyung and linking her arm with his. Theodore sighed, rubbing his temples. I just wanted to talk. Taehyung, his voice laced with restrained anger, muttered through gritted teeth. You lost that right long ago. Theodore nodded in defeat and looked at YN. I'm sorry. YN rolled her eyes, clearly unimpressed, and rested her chin on Taehyung's shoulder. Great. Apology accepted. Now let's move on. Taehyung smirked at her reaction, his eyes glinting with amusement. At least she has better things to do than dwell on the past, he added sharply. Dinner was served soon after, and the atmosphere remained stiff with only light conversation. YN was unfazed, enjoying her meal while Taehyung kept shooting annoyed glances at Theodore. On the drive home, Taehyung was silent, sulking, his fingers drumming against the steering wheel. YN bit her lip to hold back her laughter. She had never seen him like this before, and honestly, it was adorable. Once they arrived home, Taehyung unbuttoned the top buttons of his shirt, while YN removed her jewelry. He muttered under his breath, Your choice in men was really bad. YN giggled, stepping closer. Yes, I know. Taehyung shook his head, dropping onto the bed and checking his phone. YN sat beside him, holding his arm and resting her chin on his shoulder. Stop sulking, she whispered, before pressing a soft kiss on his cheek. Taehyung stiffened, his phone slipping from his fingers as he turned to look at her. A slow smirk crept onto his lips. Did you just... YN laughed, covering her flushed face. You're cute when you're jealous and sulking. I'm not sulking, nor am I jealous, Taehyung huffed. Liar, YN teased, leaning in to kiss the corner of his lips. That was it. Taehyung grabbed her by the waist and pulled her into his arms with a sigh. Did you coax Theodore like this too? He murmured against her ear. YN chuckled, shaking her head. He barely let me sit close to him. This is only for you. Taehyung hummed in satisfaction, burying his face in her neck and inhaling her scent. They remained in silence for a moment until YN spoke again. When did you fall for me? Taehyung pulled back slightly, his fingers tilting her chin up. His dark eyes softened as he smiled. At first sight, I saw you at the wedding. YN blinked. Uncle Darren's son's wedding? Taehyung nodded. I wanted to approach you, but before I could, Theodore got to you first. YN sighed, holding his hands. I wish I had met you first. Taehyung smirked. You wouldn't have been able to resist me. YN rolled her eyes playfully. You're so full of yourself. Taehyung shrugged. Only because I know you can't resist me now. YN playfully smacked his arm. When we got married, I was scared you might be like Theodore, but you proved me wrong. She leaned in, pressing a soft kiss against his lips. Taehyung groaned slightly, his hands tightening around her waist as he deepened the kiss. YN gasped softly as he pulled her impossibly close, his lips moving in slow, deliberate strokes until she was out of breath. When he finally pulled back, she was panting lightly, their foreheads resting together. Taehyung smirked. That was nice. YN, still breathless, pulled away and glared at him. Shut up! Taehyung laughed, watching her attempt to stand, but before she could, he grabbed her wrist, making her fall back onto the bed. Hovering over her, he grinned mischievously. You're not escaping that easily. YN giggled as he nuzzled his nose against her neck, his deep laughter vibrating against her skin. Her heart skipped several beats as she held his face in her hands. Don't laugh like this. My heart is not that strong. Taehyung raised a brow. That sounds like a challenge. YN groaned, playfully biting his cheek. Taehyung gasped dramatically before breaking into laughter, wrapping his arms around her, holding her even closer. The little kitten meowed, emerging from the study room, grabbing their attention. Muffin! Taehyung straightened while YN also sat straight, seeing him cradling Muffin against his chest. Taehyung, you know you're a liar. Taehyung looked at her surprised. YN pointed at the study room, and Taehyung laughed, understanding what she meant. I truly lied about study room. It is not haunted. I just wanted you to lie beside me. That sound was from the window. Sometimes the cat comes there. YN sulked, caressing the fur of Muffin and muttering, Muffin, stay away from this man, he is a liar. Taehyung chuckled, pulling her into his arms and kissing the top of her head, while YN smiled.